Okay, a couple of things that you're going to have to do to work in the opposite direction. You're going to have to try to find out in a system of inequalities from the graph that you see here. So, you know that whenever you're writing these, you're going to start out with y, okay? So let's look at this. Let's do this line right here, the dashed line. Since it's a dashed line, you know it's not going to be or equal to. And where is it shaded? It's shaded below the line right here, all the way from here to here. See, it's not above the line because there's a white area right here. So this is shaded below the line. Below the line means less than. Now the next thing you can find very easily is the Y-intercept. The Y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here where it intercepts the Y-axis is the Y-intercept. So that's a positive 5. Now, you need to have the slope. So two things that you can do. You can either find out the points and do the slope the y2 minus y1, which is what you should do. M, the slope, equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that means our slope is going to be equal to, this point is 0, 5. And this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. So we go 5 minus 3 over 0 minus 4, which gives us 2 over negative 4, or negative 1/2. So then that gives us our slope, and our x goes there. And that's our first line. Now the second line, right here, we're going to do y, because you always start out with y. Where did you shade? You shaded above the line. It can't be below because this white part right here, okay? So we shaded above the line, and it says a solid line, so that means greater than, wait a minute, did I say above the line? Yeah, above the line, greater than or equal to. What is the y-intercept? Right here, negative 1. Put our x, and now we got to find the slope. So one point is going to be right here, is 0, negative 1, 0, negative 1. And this point is 1, 0, 1, 0. So when we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that gives us negative 1 over negative 1, which is equal to 1. So we could put our 1 there, or we could just ignore it because 1s are understood. So this is our system of linear inequalities. You try this one, and I'll get back with you get back with me, and we'll see how you did. All right, what system of inequalities is represented by this graph? All right, first one we want to do is this dashed line. The dashed line is 1, 2 is the y-intercept. So we go y. It's shaded below the line, so that means less than. It's a dashed line, so it is not or equal to. It's a horizontal line, and you know that horizontal lines have 0 slope. So that's going to be 0 times x. But when you have 0x, you just don't put anything. And what's the y-intercept? The y-intercept is 2. So our line is y is less than 2. Now we do the other line. We've got y is, the line is shaded above right here. So that means it's going to be greater than. It is a solid line, so it says or equal to. The y-intercept is 1, 2, 3. So we put a plus 3, put our x, and then we come over here and we do our y-intercept, our slope. So our slope, we're going to choose 2 points. The first one is going to be 0, 3. You can choose any point that's easy for you to do. And the other point, as I'm looking at this, right here, let's choose this one. That is a crosses right at the intersection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So -4, -2. So we go y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and that gives us 3 plus 2 is 5 over positive 4. So we come over here and we put 5 over 4, x plus 3, and that's our system of inequalities.